So prefabs are basically like a game object that you want to be able to create copies of. So I created a sphere and I named it ball and I added a rigid body component to it. So to make it a prefab, all we have to do is drag and drop it from the hierarchy into our project window. All right, here's all the code that we're going to need to spawn balls over and over again. So I just created a public game object variable and I named it ball prefab. And then we have an if statement that checks whether or not we are pressing the B key on our keyboard. Then we are going to use this function called instantiate. So instantiate is just a fancy word for spawn or create a copy of. And we want to create a copy of the ball prefab. And here we have an empty variable called ball prefab. So we drag and drop our ball prefab there, and now we run our game. And now every time I press the B key, we create a ball, and I can just keep adding as many as I want, and they all stack on top of each other because they're lined up perfectly. Just for fun, I'm going to move one over and watch them all fall down. That's pretty cool.